Excuse me while I make a coffee. So, about 2 weeks ago, the guys from OutIn reached out to me on my channel and asked if I'd be interested in trying out the OutIn Nano Portable Espresso Machine, which is exactly what I'm using right now. And I thought, you know, maybe a good thing, maybe not a good thing, not sure. Always hard to tell with new products these days, but I thought, oh look, we'll give it a go. So they sent me out this unit, a little portable coffee machine, and I have to say, it's nothing short of brilliant. Just put a little pod coffee in it now, add some water, 50 ml, and hey presto, we're making coffee. So I'm not sure if you can see it or not, the actual machine's now starting to heat up the water. So look, I've been using this thing for 2 weeks and it's nothing short of brilliant. There's many aspects that make this thing a next level coffee machine in my opinion. One is that it actually makes espresso coffee. So this runs at 20 bar, just like a commercial coffee machine. And it's actually now warming up the water as well. So you have two options. You can either just use hot water straight in, which is what I do at home in the morning. I've got rid of my mocha pot and now I just use this thing in the morning. But I'll just use hot water out of the kettle in it, and then it pretty much starts making coffee straight away. I also grind my coffee at home, obviously, and that makes really, really nice coffee with a creamer on the top. I bought myself a jug and a little stick frother from Kmart, and I make myself beautiful cappuccino coffees now for breakfast every morning. I tell you what, that's pretty damn good. The other thing I like about it though is it also takes ground coffee and it takes the capsules as well, which is what I'm using today. I just had a capsule stored up in the little water reservoir at the top here. And I just use that to store a coffee pod, and then or capsule. When I come out here on the lake, feel like a coffee, I can just put the pod in the bottom of it, throw some water on the top, press the button to heat it up, and it takes about 2.5 to 3 minutes to actually brew the coffee, or warm it up to brew the coffee, and then you'll hear it actually go when I start running through the actual machine itself as it puts it into the little cup which comes with the machine itself. So really, really clever little machine. It will make you about 200 cups using hot water, so that's more than enough cups of coffee in about a month or 2 months. And if you want to heat your coffee, it'll make anywhere between 2 to 5 coffees. Now, I used this last weekend at the beach to make a coffee and heated the water and everything else, and I've been using this all week, and it's only used about maybe 1/3 of the battery. Plenty of battery left in this thing. It uses a USB-C charger at the back, which is really nice and quick and easy. It comes with all the instructions you require. I did an unboxing, which I'll walk you through now. So as you can see on the top, it has the large sheet here. Now what this is a quick ready reckoner, if you like, if you're having issues with the actual machine. If you're trying to work out why it's not doing something in particular, charging, making coffee, whatever it is, big sheet, quick, easy, you can find it straight away. Comes with a set of stickers, which is nice, and then a full set of instructions as well as the little quick guide. Now, a little quick guide here is on not only how to use the machine, but also how to make the different types of coffee, the different styles of coffee. And it tells you how much coffee to put in, how much water, how much milk, all those sorts of elements as to make the different types of coffees, whether you're making a flat white or a latte, cappuccino, Americano, whatever it might be. So I've been very, very impressed with this coffee machine. As I said, out and they've given it to me to try for a month or two to review it. And it's nothing short of brilliant. I would highly recommend this. As you can hear now, it's now actually brewing the coffee or pushing the coffee through. So we'll have a look at that. There it is. Beautiful crema coffee. Absolutely brilliant. Can't get any better than being out in a canoe on a lake, making yourself a hot espresso coffee. It really is clever from that point of view. Wonderful stuff. Absolutely brilliant. Just add a dash of milk. Cheers. Oh, that is just awesome. Really, really nice coffee. So yeah, so there's a few things that I think this thing will really start to come into its own. If you're a camper, whether that's car camping, van life camping, caravan camping, you got a 4-wheel drive, whatever it is, this thing is without a doubt the best option. So don't worry about putting in dual battery systems, plugging into 240 volts and so forth, just to get your little capsule machine running on your caravan, truck, 4-wheel drive or whatever it is. You can take this in the car with you anywhere, guys, and this will just make the same coffee for you. In fact, it'll actually make it better, as I said, because you can use ground coffee, grind your own coffee up, and you can actually make a proper espresso coffee, which is really nice. So I then got to thinking, of course, during the week, well, where else could I use this? So think about this. You got a couple of kids, you're taking to swimming lessons at 4 a.m. in the morning, Tuesdays and Thursdays. You get to the swimming centre, of course, there's no coffees available, there's no coffee shops open. You sit up on the bleachers, you make yourself a coffee. Absolutely brilliant. I've had a few times travelling internationally where I've got into airports at 5 a.m. in the morning, come off the plane and so forth, and of course the airport's empty as far as shops are concerned, everything's closed. Whip this thing out, pull the pot out of the top, there's always water in the actual places themselves, and you've probably got a bottle of water with you, bang, make a coffee. Absolutely brilliant. And there's so many places you could do that to make a coffee with this little portable machine. Really, really clever. So I highly recommend it. The great guys at OutIn have also given me a discount to provide to you guys. I'll leave a link in the description below. Follow that link, you'll get a 10% discount off this thing, and I would highly recommend it. As I said, I'll use this all the time now. On an overnight hike, it's probably a little bit heavy. It's around the sort of 600 gram weight sort of range, probably a little bit heavy for an overnight hike. Canoe trips, every single time, no doubt about that. I'll be doing 2 coffees in the morning, one out camp and then one out when I'm actually fishing like I am now. And then of course if I'm doing a day hike. So if you're one of these people who like hiking up to a ridge in the morning or at the top of a mountain to get the sunrise or the sunset, you can take one of these guys with you and you're making coffee up the top of that ridge line as the sun comes up. Pretty special stuff. So in a day pack, no brainer. Less than the weight of a bottle of water. I'll get you a bottle of water, give you an idea what that looks like size-wise. Standard Nalgene bottle. There's your little OutIn, about the same size, probably about the same weight, a little bit lighter than that bottle of water. So if you're carrying a bottle of water up, you can easily carry one of these up as well. So anyway, I just wanted to take you through that. Hope you enjoyed the quick video on the OutIn Nano Espresso Machine. As I said, highly recommend this thing. Really, really great. I love mine. I'll be using this and keeping this. I've also asked for or ordered a double shot basket. You can get a double shot basket for a ground coffee, which gives you a double shot, which is more where I play. I'm a strong coffee drinker, so I love my coffee. And I look forward to, I'll be reviewing that one when it comes out as well. I'll take you guys through that one, but this is brilliant. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Just I said, just a quick review. And I look forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks' time. Bye for now.